Hi, I'm going to make the chicken with Chinese eggplant today. I have about 8 ounces of Chinese eggplant, and I have 3 slices of ginger, and 1 ounce of onion, and 1 tablespoon of cooking rice. And for the chicken, I have 8 ounces of chicken. Then I put a pinch of salt in it, and the white pepper. And also I put a tablespoon of oil in it, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Then I mix. Okay, I leave it. Okay, for the sauce, I'm using 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of hot chili beans sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sweet bean sauce. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, I'm going to put all the sauce in it. And some sugar. And the hot chili bean sauce. And they're called the sweet bean sauce. And you mix well. And the cornstarch, I put 2 tablespoons of water in it and mix. Okay, then I'm going to cook the eggplant first. I'll put some oil in it. I'm going to put all the eggplant in it first. Okay, I'm going to remove it now. Then I put more oil in it. I'm going to put all the chicken in it. Okay, see they turn it brown a little bit. That's what I want. I'm going to put some ginger in it and some onion. Okay, then I'm going to put all the eggplant in it. Then I put the cooking rice in it. Then I put all the sauce in it. Then I put the cornstarch in it. Okay, this is all done. Okay, there is the chicken eggplant today.